All right, you two, here comes our first train of the evening here at NS 825, westbound here in Suffolk. 825 finally on the move after fixing a hot axle. It's a hot wheel that the defect detector got him and he was forced to stop on the main track. We got 236 that will be meeting this fella, and we're going to go ahead and let him come by. So it looks like we have an ex-Conrail -8W on the point. We're laying back, we're checking him out. Here we go.
Oh, script check right there. I got the ad too. I already talked to the ad. Ed's got it on his computer. Oh, okay. Yeah, he's going to start charging.
RS3L.
Is there anything forward on this 825?
No, it's ex-Conrail -8W for power.
I know he got a hot box.
No, I'm talking to Justin.
Oh no! Hey, Hopper's on one.
Yeah, he's got to cross over.
Oh, he's on two. He's crossing over here to one.
No, he should be staying on one, because the other train.
Oh, he's got a 4-pack!
Hold on.
8353 on the move! Yeah! Yes! Wow! What a colossal NS825 with a 410 of G! Oh yeah! Woohoo! Wasting no time after fixing that hot wheel. Well, there you have it, NS82510 as he will glide west on National Train Day with ex-Conrail -8W 8353 with a beautiful RS3L as he will lead 3 other GEs. How many cars we have, sir?
175.
175. He was maxed out. All right, we are waiting on NS236. We'll have the lash up of the night. Not going to tell you what it is. It'll be around here shortly. All right, I will switch the camera to the eastbound direction, and we will be right back. All right, thanks for watching.